In its final weeks of the legislative session, the Annapolis City Council is turning its focus to housing. It's Friday, October 3rd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. The council is considering a slate of bills aimed at boosting density and expanding affordability. The proposals under review would update zoning rules to allow more housing units in key areas while introducing measures to encourage mixed income development. Supporters argue the changes are needed to ease pressure on the city's tight housing market and open doors for more residents, while critics caution about impacts on neighborhood character and infrastructure. The outcome of these debates will help shape Annapolis's approach to growth and affordability in the years ahead. Meanwhile, buyers in Annapolis continue to be challenged on inventory. 83% of homes for sale are priced over $1 million, leaving homes priced under $450,000 at only 35 units. The inventory fell this report to 214 units priced at a median $750,000. 17 homes are coming soon. 43 homes went under contract in 15 days at a median $575,000. It is taking longer this week to go to contract, but the median price is up. 46 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio in 8 days, with a median sales price of $550,000. This is almost double last report in number of homes sold. 20 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $435,500 sales price in 13 days. 15 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $595,000 in 6 days. 10 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $557,500 in 4 days. Inventory for rentals remains fairly consistent at 56, for a lease at $2,875 median dollars per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 3rd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.